Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Kind Ninja by Mary Nin, or Hin. Let's begin. Kind Ninja loved being caring and compassionate, but it was not always like this. No, Kind Ninja used to not know any better. It used to be more about me. When Mom was bringing in the groceries, Kind Ninja couldn't wait to get his snack and play on his phone. On the way to school, Kind Ninja never thought to share his umbrella. And you can see there's a bus heading straight towards them. Heading into church, Kind Ninja would rush to grab donuts instead of holding the door open for others waiting his turn. All that changed. Anxious Ninja had worked on a science project for weeks. When it was his turn to present in the class, he dropped his entire volcano presentation. Everyone started pointing and laughing at upset Kind Ninja. That doesn't even look like a volcano. That looks like a pot with a plant that has a face, looking like a triceratops, like that's upside down face. You know, if you just put your head upside down, you can see it's kind of like the triceratops face. Never mind, it doesn't really look like that anymore. Kind Ninja could feel Anxious Ninja's pain and embarrassment. He knew how hard it was to get that science project done. An anxious ninja project looks so cool. He remembered his mother telling him the acts of kindness, both big and small, can make a difference. Maybe my mom was right. Maybe I can make a difference. At school, Kind Ninja would choose to sit with Shy Ninja, who was sitting alone. During recess, when Anxious Ninja wasn't picked for a team, Kind Ninja insisted that Anxious Ninja be on his team. After school, when all the kids were rushing out the door, Kind Ninja patiently held the door for Mrs. Payne, Victoria Payne, Talking Tom and Friends. I just noticed that. And he shared his umbrella when it rained. At home, Kind Ninja helped to bring in the groceries. He grabbed a Band-Aid for his sister when she scraped her knee. And Kind Ninja... Oh wait, I forgot to read this one. It says, brought in the mail to his mother. And Kind Ninja also said thank you and please much more often. Thank you, please. While many other ninjas were asleep on Saturday morning, Kind Ninja volunteered at this time at the animal shelter. His duty was to hold animals and love them, but it didn't feel like the job. Kind Ninja felt lucky to be able to give love and kindness. He liked how being kind made him feel all warm and fuzzy inside. Simple acts of kindness, both big and small, could become your secret weapon against cruelty in the world. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!